And welcome back. So our today topic is types of test items. In this, we discuss about the selection type items, like what are the objective types, like the student have to select the correct option or answer from a given choices, and we have three types of objective questions, like multiple choice questions, or we can say there are matching items as well as true false statements. The next is what is the multiple choice question. The example is already given that what color is the sky? This is steam. So the correct answer is already given and the structure is given. Is highlighted in the arrow that the structure are red, orange, and purple. On the other hand, the correct answer is given that the color of the sky is blue. Now, types of MCQs item, like which is the capital city of Pakistan. This is one type, and the second type is the capital city of Pakistan. So this kind of statement is given in the MCQs items. What are the rules for writing multiple choice question? The first thing or the most important is the important fact is given in the multiple choice question, as well as use a simple language that the learner or the reader can easily understand and they can easily answer the question. And next is make the questionnaire brief and clear. So it will be not time consuming and the reader can easily answer it within a short time. Next is avoid asking negative question. Always uh, statement should be positive. Next is offer an appropriate number of distractors that it is a good quality. There is appropriate number of distractor and the appropriate the correct answer is given in the distractor. There are advantages and disadvantages. Like advantages included the effectiveness, as well as they have to be a versatile, as well as they reduce the guessing and can cover broad range of content. On the other hand, the disadvantages included difficulty of construction, because the one who construct the MCQs, they should be uh, time bounded, and as well as they have to use a very simple language that the reader or the learner can easily, or the test attempter can easily attempt the test. So it is this is a difficulty for the construction of the MCQs. There is true false question, like a true false test item require the student to determine whether a statement is true or false, also known as a binary choice item. Like the statement is given that multiculturalism is a state in which all the subcultural in the same society are equal to one another. So is it true or it is false? There are advantages as well as disadvantages, like easy to construct and easy to score, as well as it is helpful for poor students. On the other hand, the disadvantages included assess lower order thinking skill, as well as a poor representative of the student learning achievement in this. Now there is matching item. It consists of number one. There are two columns. The first column is premises. The second column is responses. So column a person or the reader or the test attempter can easily match the column. What are the types? The term with definitions, paraphrases with other phrases, and causes with effects, parts with longer units, and problem with solutions. There are advantages and disadvantages, like factual information can be tested and valuable in content areas that have a lot of facts. On the other hand, time consuming for students, and it is not good for higher level of learnings. This is the disadvantages. There is supply type item like student have to provide correct answer like completion item, a short answer and essay type. Completion item included like the answer is needed to complete the sentence. They are also known as gap filler. So the example is given like sentence a completion item require examinee to finish a sentence. For example, the man give his hat to whom. So if a learner or the test attempted fill the blank, so the statement will give proper sense. Now, short answer. Like a student supply a response to questions most effective for assigning knowledge and comprehension learning outcomes. There are two questions like what is the most likely diagnosis? It has 2 marks, so this is a very short answer. The next is name three preliminary investigation will give you to perform at this stage. So this is also a short question answers. And it have also advantages and disadvantages like easy to construct and minimize guessing. The next is disadvantages like may overemphasize memorization of facts and scoring is laborious. Like a person can easily, if a person is not easy to memorize the facts, so it is disadvantage for him or her to answer the short question answer. Essay type question like measure the students' higher order thinking skills, such as applying, organizing, synthesizing, integrating, evaluating, or projecting, while at the same time providing a measure of writing skills. There are types of essay question. Two types of essay question included. The first is restricted responses. The second is extended responses. The example is given that limits on the content and limits on the responses. On the other hand, in the extended responses included allow the students to choose the scope of the topic and student is able to demonstrate the use of higher order cognitive skills. The advantages and disadvantages. The first is advantages like reduce guessing and easy to construct and allow students to demonstrate ability to organize a knowledge, express opinion and show originality. On the other hand, the disadvantages included that it is time consuming to score.